What's up guys, TechRax here. So in this video we got the ultimate slingshot contraption. Check this out guys, we got 10 layers of tempered glass. We're going to be shooting an iPhone 12 Pro Max through these 10 layers and we're going to see where it stops, what happens to this iPhone. We're taking out all these protective bumpers from these panels. Brand spanking new glass, guys. Look at this, just gorgeous. All this pressure and tension. This is a dummy phone, but we got to do some test runs. Custom slingshot. This is insane. We're gonna see where the iPhone lands. Perfectly working, mint condition, front, back, no cracks. Ceramic shield put to the test, guys. Let's go ahead and launch this iPhone. Placing the iPhone 12 Pro Max in that little area right there. We're gonna snip it in 3, 2, 1. Just like that, guys, you see the first test run, we hit 2 panels of tempered glass. All this glass everywhere here. Let's look at the front, still recording, no cracks. Ceramic shield survived. The moment of truth. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Whoa. We hit 2 more. We hit 2 more, guys. Oh my goodness, we got chaos in the building. And look at this glass paradise, guys. We got glass everywhere. Glass standing up on its own like this. This is just insane. We hit 2 more panels and we're gonna see what happened to the iPhone. I'm gonna be stepping on glass right here. But check this out. Back looks good already. Not cracked. Looking at the front. Wow. Still perfectly good condition. No cracks. Phone is working. We're going to keep going, guys. Let's go to round 3. Round 3, guys. Let's hope the iPhone goes through every single panel this time around. So the moment of truth. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. So check this out, guys. What's interesting about this third round is it hit this panel right here, but nothing broke, and the iPhone is actually cracked. So still recording. I'm going to pick this phone up. Oh my goodness, we have a shatter. It just dimmed off. It's not working. Are you serious? Let's hit the power button. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the back of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, guys. This is it. This phone is busted. It's not busting, it's busted. Oh my goodness, we're hitting the power button. I'm gonna have to see if I could charge it, but it was just recording and it was showing signs of life. Now it's not working anymore. Did it pass the test? No, it did not. So we actually managed to hit, how many is this? 2, 4, 5 total tempered glass panels, and we had obviously 5 more left to go, and it hit this one. It didn't crack. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's actually crazy to me that this phone did not break when it was breaking through the glass, and then it fully breaks and doesn't turn on when it couldn't even break through a single layer of glass. I don't know how that happens, guys, but this phone does not charge. It's done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.